experiment number 5, biology. Human heart model and human heart. First of all, the objective to study the model of the human heart. This is human heart. If we talk to you about their size, so what would be the size of the human heart? One fist of the human. So see the one fist of the human. This is the size of the human heart. And other mean here we study about the mammalian heart. Mammalian may be sheep, mammalian may be goat, mammalian may be cows, mammalian may be human. Observation here, human heart is enclosed in pericardium. What does mean of the pericardium? Pericardium, it is a layer outer side of the heart which protect the heart. There is a fluid under the pericardium membrane which is called pericardium fluid, which protect the heart. And human heart has 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4 chambers. Focus here. 4 chambers. First, left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. 4 chambers. Acha, arteries and veins and chambers which make the heart. What is the function of the heart? To pump the blood all over the body. The largest artery which is called aorta, which supply the whole body blood. So here today we study about the internal structure of the heart. How many things are here? First of all, you focus the heart chambers. Are you seeing? Yes. Arteries, the upper half of the heart consists of the 2 arteries. How many arteries upper side? 2 arteries. One is left artery or second? Right. And lower 2 arteries. Left